want to marry you. Give me your love.
I don't used to like this kind of thing. Look how tiny we are. I don't like it. Must you always remind us that we need flesh in our life? This is not good. Please now. Ogbolo, you have not had any weight. Don't deceive yourself.
I did add.
Nothing have changed in your body.
I checked my kg yesterday. I had 2. That's progress.
Ogbolo, nothing have increased in your body. Please now up big girls small. It's not
just
fear.
Give us more confidence.
It's not fear.
Make us a bit more obvious and a bit more revealed.
Mama they talk him.
Yes.
Instead of it's not fair.
It's not fair.
Maya, you didn't want to call me back. It's not fear. Yoruba woman.
Yoruba woman.
Do you think that maybe you can up us more? No, that's okay.
That's okay. That's all right.
Feeling the girl, yeah. Feeling the girl, yeah.
I'm feeling the girl.
Welcome.
Feeling the girl, yeah.
Feeling
the girl, yeah.
You understand? Clody. Now say they start to.
No. Sometimes when you just want to reformat your brain,
okay.
Just do something.
You know, say
if, for example, you get angry, for example, just do one. Maybe that ain't gonna be your way to just take the escape. You know, say
you get some kind of phones where we say they know. You get some kind of phones where we say they know they work well.
Yes.
When you don't carry a dog tram, the thing go down the sets.
Bam! You just say to they work well. So some even not reformatting, rebooting, different thing. You understand? So we don't big up.
Oh God, it's a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah, we don't big up.
You know, we like big things. You understand me now? Now biggie thing they do for me. Oh, now biggie thing they do. But you go no boys will go talk well. You know that me. You know somebody me. Why they like this thing since? I don't know my friend.
The last 5 statements where you don't make none of them connotes.
You know connote to me.
You know connote.
Share for us, you know connote.
You know
so no, my friend, if you want to have a boy, she want to have a boy, she must touch you. You want like this, you would like this. You don't say, you don't talk like that. You don't hear it. So people they does like this.
Now the truth, you go know the people when we say they their blood.
They blood. It's a blood.
You know, say I notice say for this show, we know they present with the gist.
No,
because
geez,
on a normal day, even when camera no day.
Yes. Now to be continued
still like this with the gist.
You understand?
So they chuck me.
You get you they call Paddy Bob.
Respect yourself. Shut up. This Ogbolo, shut up your mouth. Everything you don't be saying it in the air. Be saying everything.
I don't finish am now. I finish am. Because normally when they mic us for this place, some things they happen. If you say you know who, now man the mic woman for year. So sometimes they will just reveal some things.
I will just give you a little bit of example. For example, now, as I wear dress, when I wear gowns, and they want to mic me, you know, you have to hook the place that is the battery and the off and on in one place. So they will have to put their hand through, you understand? So that they can hook that thing that hook your so that it will. So when they were now hooking the hook that hook my room,
oh blood,
Ogbolo now said something.
Say it's our because the hook where the ruby so that one they will have to hook it. So you but to unhook or to reveal or to let the hook to fall into the hooked place, you go gas to open some belly. You
need to open some frontal vital so that the hookness of the real hook will stay well. So I now say Ogbolo come and stand in front of me so that when I open the excess area for the hooking. It go there okay. Ogbolo now call it our
paddy here.
Go break.
So una welcome. We'll go break now. So after we don't go break, we'll come back and continue for the paddy paddy show. Sorry. Now just slip of teeth.
Wait till the slip of teeth.
Fill in the blank space.
I just wanted to thank God that He been so
Okay. Okay. You know, say... Oh, you know, say, when you see some kind of picking, they prosper. When you see some kind of picking, maybe say from small, then they prosper. Anything where they touch, you just they prosper, they prosper. Now then be this so. Because the truth be say, if victims say they play, but you know the kind of heavy things where the guy they talk.
Yeah, but even when you look at from another angle, that picking figure hot temper. That's I just try you. They remind me of Adefarasi. My sister, look, if you don't get some kind of power, you know, say the girl stop, she can't go collect handkerchief.
To clean face.
I think say it don't finish work.
The mama
she collect
don't carry her go Sunday school, don't carry her go revival, carry her go the fellowship.
Conference,
the girl don't sabi now. They fit don't wake up from sleep. Honey, it's time to eat.
I tell you, I gotta go to school. Somebody, anybody. Hey, but he good, sharp.
But that became sharp.
He good, because some children now they only learn a bad thing. This one, I think, it shows that they learn good thing.
Yes.
Correct one.
At least now, sit down, person picking go sit down. Only you go sit down, picking for house, go to hear picking, go say, Igbesere. You go
some children never have this talk. But if you sing, Takiti Baba. What are you saying? But if you do Takiti Baba, so please, he good say this one, they follow this part. He can't get congregation member. You know, that's one.
The small one, younger brother or sister.
They talk for back. Down hallelujah, they talk. Children, watch it. Anything they do, children, they watch you.
You see, children these days, they don't listen to you. They see
you, they look you, and they learn everything.
Be careful what you emulate in the presence of a child.
Yandy yan. Baba, and my old wife, I have to come and meet your Yandy Yano.
If you stay for inside Sicilizi, Bele for
my mind, they call it Sicilizi. Oh, get tired.
If you stay for inside Bele for like 10 more minutes, you go to Imbesa.
Me.
This is the way they do so.
No. Why be say they easily go towards that area? You know, say that you don't enter this now. Be careful what you say. Because the more you say talk something, you are going to yourself.
Because
what you wish other people will happen.
Do like this. But you know, say talking about imbeciles, it gets one when I know that boy, na imbecile, but the thing where that boy they do, people wey normal no fit do half of them. This boy has to say he must go school, he go school. He has to say he must graduate, he graduate. He has to say he must work. He get your own business. He know they do them, but he employ people where they make shoes.
Okay.
For Abuja, he employ people where they make these shoes. If they show you say the big company, the money where they make, if they show you say who be the owner, if you see the boy in a store, and now he get him, now he start the vision, now he see him, now he learn him, now he teach people.
But I know what would you like, woman. From now, they're not going to even say, yeah.
So they are all human beings. What you can do, they can do better. Don't be deceived.
First time they thought, what your parents say, but that girl fine. Oh yeah, come the girls.
All right, talking about stories, this particular man, no be me enter for inside Asaba Onitsha, that's Asaba Onitsha Expressway for inside Asaba. This man, he carry in jerrycan. He enter inside the filling station. He won't go thief fuel. Not be as the man enter inside the filling station, say he won't go thief fuel, enter inside tanker. He died for inside the tanker. For where I want thief the fuel, he died for inside the tanker. Now, in fact, he had to take fire-armed men, all those fire people, they can't quench fire, for them to be able to rescue the dead body from inside the tanker. The man off for inside that tanker. As he won't go thief the fuel for this tanker, diesel, now he die for inside. And you go on the wonder, say, that's all I can say. I didn't
Everybody for this world, go learn how to swim. First, If you dey watch the show like this, go learn how to swim. Because this guy, you say na swimist now. Or, it said the guy use long hose. This guy, we no get wisdom. He's not like, we when they fall for gutter, that time we small. We dey swim for the gutter, come out. Nobody will tell you, before it's a canal, you swim for the canal, come outside. Why would they play ball? So this one now, you go jump inside diesel tank. You reach there now, you go
you drink diesel till you belly full. The one wey do me be say people wey they keep tanker driver wey they keep diesel for inside filling station overnight. You think say there be money where they go just keep free diesel? You don't think say maybe they get some kind of ways to protect the tankers? I don't understand. Some people go just go thief. They don't even think of the pros.
Yes, you have to be. You know some people wey jump fence yesterday where they play video. They rehearse, they practice. You all wake up one day, all carry bucket and jerrycan. Say I want to jump inside tanker. Make I go. You are okay. The man don't go. Come on, no go finish the talk.
Talk your story.
But please, just in case you watch like you got the plan to go do you. Please, one has just gone. You feel just follow. So sit down for your house. Go line up. Learn walk. Line up when fuel is everywhere.
Yes.
And buy fuel and go your house.
Don't be thieving.
Don't go and thief
people's
something.
Things.
Because you can follow this man.
How much you want sell the jerrycan where you won't go thief the diesel where don't take your life now?
Anyway, devil said they set people up for their own downfall.
Look at you. And one more will be.
I mean. Anyway, for my own a good story. Okay. Very sweet story. You know, sometimes before, most times, let us say before marriage, Muna no go. So, but this particular couple schools, now they have come together and say, my this laugh where you laugh. What you do for weekend? What you do for Calabar where you go? So, as they put earring for your hand, next thing is spreading. No wonder you come back bright. Anyway, God day is a sin against man and a sin against God. Fornication is not good for you. Make I just preach to you now. All right. So this couple schools now, the girl can carry belly before you know she carry belly. So on the day they say okay, next week Friday, una go born and they they can't go to the hospital. Now when they can't reach hospital on the day of her borningship, now they can't realize say come we never marry and our plan is say we must marry before we born pikin. Now they can't do my say excuse me nurse, please. Share we fit marry now inside hospital before we born my pikin. They can say, okay, if you don't look say your labor and everything go start in 3 hours. Oh yeah, make we start proceeding now. And they bring wheelchair back. She's not for wheelchair. They give her flower, give her cloth, put just married for the back inside hospital. Now they start every. Here comes the bride, here comes the bride. They do everything. They give them their license. They join them for there. Father come, they do everything. Una husband and wife now. Immediately they do, yes I do finish. She show her bouquet. 19, hold up. Before you know what that happen, Willie, back Wiggy, push, So she married the same day, she born the same day. And then she finished saying, oh, it's the happiest day of our life. We never knew that we'll be doing our marriage anniversary and our picking birthday the same day. Praise the Lord.
You know, so talking about this thing, you know, so now the same, you get one of our pastor.
Hey, my pastor actually. Yes.
Shut up your mouth.
My pastor.
Our pastor.
I converted you to that place. So you go first say, recognize my office.
Okay, your pastor that is now my own equals to our. Wait, is it not paddy?
If I carry you come out, for example, if I carry you come out, for example, go beer parlor, you go come TV, come talk and say, I carry go beer parlor. I carry you go church now, they know here. I go talk myself. Me, I bring my wife come my church. And she loved the church. Now she come and like my pastor join the whole thing. Okay. Now,
so since it's now church. You that bring me inside,
yes.
Does that not make it our pastor?
Yeah, but now my pastor first before.
Shut up. Let me talk this gist. Don't be derailed.
Don't shut up me.
What?
Don't shut up me. Because you tell him this thing. They rehearse to keep quiet now. Use me to learn this thing. Our pastor.
Our pastor, in wife, born on the same birthday as their first child. Yeah. So you get 2 children. They will ask you, why is your birthday? Ask my brother. Our birthday is the same day.
So we are twins on the birthday day.
We are twins on the birthday day. And that's a beautiful thing, this kind of thing.
All right.
These days, people don't calculate them.
They calculate them. They time and where. But anyway, some people will just born like 3 children February 14.
You know, say we don't do gist now. More come back to
okay. Maybe we go on break. But this one suits me. A good story. This one I just talked just now. We go on break, and by the time we come back, we go sharply go into the continuation of Yang the Young.
No, bitch.
Touch me. Maybe you could talk story. This bitch make I talk story. But that's a touch.
Yeah, very adorable.
Children get their way.
Aye.
They get their way. You go see some people all get craze. They all born. Their craze will reduce.
He gets one picking when I carry one time. The mama just finished the bath. She can't say make I help her hold him while she throw away some kind things, the diapers and all that, so that she can't do another diaper for him. As I carry this picking like this, we they come out. As I carry the picking like this, you just do sha for my body.
That's so.
Peace. Sha for my body. The picking can't look me like this. He can't look me like say they beg me. I didn't know when I started saying it. I can't talk to people whether they hear it's fine, it's okay. I'm not mad at you, it's fine, it's okay. They are so adorable.
They look like Auntie, that's look that's it.
Auntie, no verse.
No verse. No. For sure you don't say you know if you do anything. Okay.
Alright, moving on.
Jeffo.
You too much. Jeff, we love you. More no lie. Forget say we always be our guy. You understand? You be our guy. We love you.
You know they bring accidents on again.
No. Jeff is not Jeff, no, they bring the one where cow they pursue.
Yes.
Pursue human being.
Person go jam head for wall. Jeffo.
Alright, so the next one I get for you, this one happened for inside one particular place for Arkansas. Now, this particular place, now like theme park, now like park where people they go play. Now playing park. In the year 1906, a particular farmer where they call John Huddlestone, where they farm for there, now he first discover say diamond did that land. Now in farmland. Now he first discover say diamond. One time, say he just they try do some kind of things for him crops. Now he notice some two shiny things them. You can't look and well say this thing be like that thing where they see for TV where they call diamond though. Not being the guy can't send them to New York to one of his friends where they check
all those things.
Then that one can't check and can't say wow. The first one are around 3 carat white diamond and the second one are like 1.5 carat yellow diamond. The thing can't spread like wildfire. Because you know that kind of gist they spread. Yes. Everybody can't know say, oh boy, diamond did that particular land. People can't they come, but they no agree. Make people, no agree. Make people enter.
I go fence that land around. Now Lagos that land.
Yes, now that year, he can't say, you know what, the thing to save myself from trouble, from people who go they attack me and all those things. He can't sell them to investors for about $36,000 that year.
Straight up.
That's a lot of money. Then 2 years later, the state can't kuku buy them because they realize that if they want to build anything for that land, it no go work.
Yes.
They want to do company, it no go work. They want to do anything, it no go work. They can't make them public, open for the public. So miners, people where they dig ground, they come from all over. At least in a year, over 600 diamonds, people they pick them.
Wow.
They see them, they find them. You understand? So between that 1906 to now, they don't discover about 19,000 diamonds.
Make we just see diamond for this country. We know they see diamond for this country. What treasure? Now we talk last time. We don't ever see treasure for this. Now okay, Namia Babake. People go, they walk up and down, they see treasure. They just enter inside water, they will see treasure. They will go old see treasure. For now old spoon will they see. Old kettle. Old stove.
Enter tanker.
Enter tanker. Now they sabi do for this country. Yeah, men we say look land. Just see diamond pick for somewhere.
And you know, say they're very possible. Say if people are actually ready to work to mine, you can actually find treasures.
Who get power? Who get time to go to mine?
They look. So people they go there from time to time to go mine, and they always find diamonds.
They don't pick and finish. All the diamond don't hide. One way or the other, somebody know your grease all of us there. Yeah. But anyway, nice story for the man. I'm happy for him. Even at the jealous house.
You don't say so. No, you don't say we don't discover them, but till date, people still they go.
They enter the place.
Yes.
For my own story, police people for this country, they try. But oftentimes, I always talk this kind of thing. When they drive sometimes, you just hear police just hold their rifle like this. Just face your motor.
Just to allow you to park, then go cock and park.
Not even the cock itself. Sometimes the cock is now one thing. Sometimes they just hold them. They feel the gist here. They carry the rifle, they face your motor. Or face where you stand. Corporal or sergeant, one thing. You, where you stand or where you sit down, you can't adjust. Oga, please. Shift your rifle. Not be this policeman for inside the keja. It's down the own from nowhere, and our guy will be from nowhere. Now second in command for the armory for Mopol 20. Make I leave at them. In guy come and say, my friend, please, I beg, come help us see how you go take, adjust this particular gun where they our hand. The gun they faulty. They come meet and say, okay, see how you go take help them adjust. And based on saying Sabi pass, now I collect the gun, say make it adjust. As he carry the rifle, face himself, make it out to the cleaner or the adjust time they do, now go press trigger. As he just press trigger, boom, now he shoot himself.
Oh Lord.
Before they go say, go call
Jack Robinson.
Before they say Jack Robinson, before they say Butte Metal, before they rush at the hospital.
Don't buy.
The guy died. He just died for the entrance of the hospital. Like now they just buy put poor. Based on say the gun they 40, he won't try adjust time, he won't help his friend. Now the policemen run come out before they go carry and hospital, the guy died. So now take all the maybe they fear now. Most of this one, when they carry gun for road, when they carry gun, they jump inside their van and everything, when they just face gun. If it pull trigger as the data discharge. Now, you get one picture what they see for Instagram. Where one carry rifle, put for in bomb, sit down on top, where the nozzle, sit down on top. They just, I can't think for my mind. If this thing just go do mistake, say you go get score, poor. Rearrange all your intestine.
That one even pain you. Not be one with the see where they walk up and down. This say some Arabs them when they do some kind of celebration and they shoot gun for up.
Yes.
Not being the guy shoot up. See small pikin shoot gun for up. Drop the gun. And so the small pikin they play with the gun. Shooting Baba for Belén. So the man die.
Hi. So I beg go accidental discharge day, and I don't kill this policeman now. Based on say the gun they fought, he won't help the person take put them together. So
please
I beg.
Be careful.
This one I even specially to everybody with the outside. If you just hear police just they pass you, just hold gun. Hide your head somewhere. And policemen when they watch us, I beg, one of the shocking that he made the face ground or something. Thank you very much. All right. Very sad story. But for that we go do laugh. They laugh for now. All right. At Wazobia Paddy on Twitter.
I'm telling you, follow us. You get one we see where we see it on this same Instagram where the girl should form Yankee. Mom, I'm talking to you, Mom. Are you deaf, Mom? The mama wasn't. The mama said for you buy your telebody saying. Don't laugh. You get sometimes so they try for African parents.
No, don't try it. Chris Clown. Okay, so for now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll say goodbye to everybody. Hope they don't enjoy the whole show like this, and we'll carry our kayak one side studio like this and I'll score and we'll see you tomorrow. God bless everybody. And Maya, what you got anything to say? I want to meet up with you. Just talk. No. Hey, Pat Bob. So, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We love you. Please go to Twitter. Tell us how you feel about today's show. And of course, we will follow Yan and every. Right?
And please, don't forget, say for people waiting for diaspora.
Yes.
You feel watch us all our episodes on top YouTube channel. youtube.com/Wazobia Paddy.
For now, we'll say bye-bye to everybody. Bye-bye.
If you want stand up, they go before.
No. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No, darling.